Hey guys, today I'm going to show you where the AC fuse and AC relay are located on this 2008 Chevy Impala. If this video is helpful, can you smash that thumbs up button and leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm? Really helps out a lot. The first thing we need to do is pop our hood. Now that we're under the hood, this is our under the hood fuse box here. So we're going to open this cap by lifting on these tabs on the side. Then you can pull this lid right out of here. So on the back of our cover here, we have a legend or key, and you can see that the AC compressor relay is right here, and the AC fuse is right below it, right there. So that's going to be this relay right here is for our AC compressor. And this 10 amp fuse right here below it, this red fuse, that is the AC clutch fuse right there. So you've got a 10 amp fuse for the AC right there, and the AC relay is right here. I will have fuses linked down below that you can get online if you want to check those out. But I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, smash that thumbs up button. Leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm. Thank you for watching and have a good one.